once you've selected the range that you want to put in a chart, I've gone for this is A8 to L8. Now you want to select insert, which is at the menu bar at the top here, and then go to you've got columns here. You have line charts, different line charts. You have pie charts. You have horizontal bar charts. You have area. You have scatter charts, and you have other charts, and you can select any of these. But I'm just going to go for a simple line chart. And you just click on it. Right. Now, nothing has come up here. So what you need to do is click on chart and then go to this first one here, switch row column. And now you have a simple chart, which you can move anywhere around, and you can resize it and so forth. Okay, so that's quite simple to make a chart there, but obviously you would want to put this chart somewhere where it's out of the way. I really hope you liked this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and come and check out my channel, see what else I have.